His shoes are worn out. That must really hurt his feet.
I wish I could have those new shoes.
Hey, kid, don't stay here all day like this.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll leave now. I didn't want to cause any problems.
Tom, he almost tripped.
We should go see if he's okay.
All right, but quietly. We don't want to frighten him or make him uncomfortable.
Mom, I'm home. I can help deliver some more bread.
Here. Thank you so much, little boy.
Oh, he helps his mom earn money.
Maybe that's why he can't afford the new shoes. Hey, Tom, it's the boy we saw yesterday.
The race is coming. But my shoes...
Oh, so he really needs them for the school sports day.
I really want to help him, but I don't know what to do. Maybe we should ask our parents after school today. That's right, Mom. How can we help him?
I love your kindness. But we also need to protect his feelings.
Can we just ask Dad for the money?
I don't think that's the best idea, my boy.
Let's bake cookies. Cookies for kindness. We can earn the money ourselves.
That's an excellent idea. Let's do it.
Aha!
That's enough. Let's start baking the cookies.
Wow! We're almost finished. Our little shop is open.
Cookies for kindness. Please come by.
Hey kids, one bag please. You children are doing something wonderful.
Thank you, Mr. Brown.
We only have a little money. This is more difficult than I expected.
Oh no! The sign fell down. It's all right, but this is really harder than I imagined.
Maybe we won't buy the shoes in time. I feel so sad.
No one never gives up. We shouldn't give up either. Okay?
Is there a special reason?
A friend needs new shoes. We want to help him quietly and with kindness.
That's very thoughtful. I'll tell more neighbors to come and support you.
Wow, Megan. So many people are really coming to help us.
Here's a little extra. You can keep the cookie for me.
We have enough money. Thank you so much. Please enjoy the cookies.
We did it! We really made it. Noah can finally get new shoes.
The store is closing soon. Let's hurry before it's too late.
Thank you. This will mean so much to our friend. I hope he'll be happy when he finds this surprise gift. Put it right here. He'll notice it when he wakes up.
Huh? A box? For me? From a kind friend. Oh my goodness. Thank you, whoever you are. I'll never forget this.
He got our gift. I think he's truly happy.
We're so proud of you.
One small act of kindness can bring great hope.
Always help others whenever you can. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you next time.
Tomorrow we'll have a captain challenge. You two need to be prepared, okay?
Ben and I both want to be the captain of the school soccer team. You know, Ben is really talented. A captain must understand the team, not only the ball. Okay, one final practice. I can do this. I think I'm fully ready for tomorrow.
Good morning, class. I have some exciting news today.
Exciting news? Wow! What is it, teacher?
Our class will take part in the school football tournament.
Yes! This is going to be fantastic!
Here are your training shirts, my dear team.
Oh, it looks so awesome!
But our team needs a captain.
A captain? That's a tough decision.
A captain supports, listens, and encourages the team.
I want to try, but what if I'm not ready?
Tom, you love football. You should give it a try.
Teacher, I want to run for captain.
I want to try too, teacher. Oh, wow! Tom and Ben. Together. Tom, I can let you have the chance if you want.
No, Ben. Let's earn it fairly.
Good answer, Tom. Fair play is what truly matters. Tomorrow we'll have a captain challenge. You two need to be ready, okay?
Let's do our very best, Ben. Mom, Dad, I need to practice hard today.
Of course, my boy. What happened?
Ben and I both hope to become the captain of the school soccer team. You know, Ben is an excellent player.
A strong friend can make you better, son.
A captain must care about the team, not only the ball.
Look here. Players must work together.
So I need to pass, look around, and help. Okay, just one more drill. I can do this. Oh no!
Keep your foot steady, my boy.
Steady foot. Stay calm.
Go, Tom. You can do it.
Sha! Wow! That was much better. I'm tired, but I won't give up.
Rest now, Tom. A captain also needs good balance.
I think I'm ready now.
Today we will choose our team captain. First question. What do players do after they lose the ball?
We run back and protect our goal.
Right. Next question. What do we do when we're closely marked by several players?
We pass to the free teammate.
Exactly. Next question. Who can tell me the following rule?
Their scores are nearly equal.
Ben, you shoot first. Stay focused.
Yes! Nice shot!
That was excellent, but I can try. Yeah, I did it!
Okay, pay attention, boys. One final shot will decide who becomes the captain.
Steady foot. Clear mind.
Tom, you are our team's new captain.
Wow!
Captain Tom, I'll support you with all my heart.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next stories. Bye.